Online skills you can learn in 30 days. Start earning fast. Give me 30 days and internet access. No degree. No office. Just skills. I'll give you a skill that can pay you. Most people waste months watching videos with no direction. Today, I'll show you online skills you can learn in 30 days. Skills people are already using to make money online. If you can type and think, you can write blog posts, emails, product descriptions. Companies pay for this every day. Why? It works. High demand. No special tools. Action. Practice daily, plus post samples on Fiverr or Upwork. Clients care about results, not certificates. Logos, flyers, YouTube thumbnails. Brands need visuals. You don't need Photoshop first. Start with Canva. Why? It works. Fast learning curve. High demand on social media. Perfect for beginners. Action. Create designs you see online for practice. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Everyone needs editors. Simple cuts can already get you paid. Tools. CapCut, VN, DaVinci Resolve. Reality. One good edit can pay more than a week's salary. Business owners don't want stress. They pay for help. Why? It works. Posting, replying, growing pages. Businesses want attention. You manage it. Truth. If you understand trends, you're valuable. Let me be honest. 30 days won't make you an expert, but it can make you good enough to get paid. Skill plus consistency beats talent. Pick one skill. Learn daily for 1-2 hours. Practice publicly. Apply aggressively. If you want a step-by-step guide on where to learn and how to get your first client, hit the like button. Subscribe. This channel teaches skills, not stories. Comment the skill you're starting today. Don't learn 5 skills at once. Don't wait to be perfect. Don't consume produce.